Today I'm cooking broth beans for FAVE con cipolla. Hi everyone, buongiorno a tutti. Today I'm going to cook fresh broth beans with onions. Plenty onions, this recipe. I love broth beans. In Italian I call it FAVE. FAVE tender because they are tender. As I was a boy, I didn't like the roll. I couldn't stand it. But then my father said, you better eat this or not. So what I do, just this fresh, everything fresh from the garden. The onions fresh from garden, the broth beans, everything fresh. So just chop them rough like that, don't have to be perfect. Now, you believe it or not, the green top, it's the best you can use for this recipe. Fair bit, you need fair bit, because once it's cooked, it comes to nearly nothing. The onions, they call it red difference, but at the moment, you know, they're still small, nice and tender, look at that. Use any onions, even the hard onions, brown onions, anything, any onions. But because I got the fresh one, I'm going to use the fresh one. In here, just put some oil. Not that much. And now we're going to do, we put them on the stove. So this is the fresh broth beans that I cleaned out of the pot. Now I got to tell you, I'll show something. See this? This is only, see they start to go black. When you see this mark here and go real, goes black, that means they're a little bit tough. But for this recipe, it doesn't matter, it's still okay. You know, you don't want to leave them on the plate to let it get too hard. So now they go in. Pinch of pepper, bit of pepper. And probably not that much. Salt. A little bit of salt. I don't measure anything, I just guess. And then later on, after I taste it, if they need more, you put more salt. Give a bit of a stir. I'll let it cook just like this for a few minutes, and then I will add some water. And as they cook, the water dries up, so I add more water, because you're going to have with a bit of a juice at the end. No, you don't want it too dry. And see, now it's nearly 5 minutes that they've been cooked. You want to do that to get the nice flavor, the onions will go through it. And now we're going to add some water. This boiling water already. I'll probably take another 10 minutes to cook. That's it, now they're cooked. We're going to just switch it off. Just to get a few to try. They're hot, I'm going to wait a bit. I'm going to try a few, but they're still too hot. I'm just blowing a bit and let it cool down a bit. This is how we used to do it in Italy, cold food, they are like this. They're quite tight, very nice, very good. Bellissimo, delicioso. This dish, like I said, you can have with anything. And also we had if you toast your bread, homemade bread, or good bread, and you just have that toast and that together, or with pasta. Buon appetito!